Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So please take
Good afternoon.
workbook page number 7.
Good
Page you can
afternoon.
see on the screen also. So please take page number 7. Workbook part 2, page number 7. Workbook part 2, page number 7. Workbook part 2, page number 7. You got the same page? So we are moving to the question number 1. Multiple choice questions. So we have 4 options. We have to find out the correct option. Okay. Now, Mohammad Rishan, please unmute and read the first one. Question number 1.
R-A-V-I.
Ravi. It's the name of a boy.
Ravi can see the
R-I-S-I-N-G. Rising.
rising sun
E-V-E-R-Y. Every.
every
Ravi can see the rising sun every dash. And the options are A. Night. B. Morning.
morning,
Afternoon. D.
afternoon,
Evening.
evening.
What is the correct answer, Muhammad?
Morning.
Morning. So put tick mark for option B, morning, and write the letter B inside the bracket. Durva Prashanti, please unmute and read the second one. Question number 2.
Ma'am, write the spelling.
No need to write. You just put a tick mark,
Has
correct option, and write the letter inside.
dinner.
Ah. S-U-N-I-T-A. Sunita has her dinner every dash. Sunita has her dinner every dash. Options are A. Afternoon, B. Night, C. Morning, D. Evening. Which one? B.
Night.
Night. Very good. So please put a tick mark for option B, night, and write the letter B inside the bracket. Adinath P. Sunil, please unmute and read question number 3. P-E-O-P-L-E, people.
People eat breakfast in dash.
Very good. People eat breakfast in the dash. A. Night. B. Morning. C. Afternoon. D. Evening. When is our breakfast?
Morning.
Morning. So option B is the correct answer. Write B inside the brackets. Okay, good, Adinath. Now we will move to next one. Okay. Question number 4. Henry Baiju, please unmute. Question number 4. Read the question. Question number 4.
The time the time at 12 and
Noon.
noon is I-S-E-C-A-L-L-E-D
Called.
called
The time at 12 noon is called dash. The time at 12 noon is called dash. Options are A. Morning, B. Midday, C. Midnight, D. Afternoon. Which is the correct answer, Henry? 12 noon. Very good. Midday. Okay. The answer is midday. 12 noon. The answer is midday. If it is 12 night, it is midnight. Okay. Here it is 12 noon. So answer is midday. So put a tick mark for option B, midday, and write the letter B inside the bracket. Question number 5. Anaya, please unmute and read the question 5. Question number 5.
What do you say to her parents when
What do you say to your parents
what do What do
you say
say
to your
parents
when you
get
get up?
in the morning?
What do you say to your parents when you get up in the morning? A. Good morning. B. Good afternoon. C. Good evening. D. Good night. Which is the correct answer?
Option A, good morning.
Very good. So put tick mark for option A. Good morning. Write letter A inside the brackets. Now, Adelan, please unmute. Read the question number 6.
The sun
Rises.
rises in the dash.
The sun rises in the dash. Option A, afternoon. Option B, evening. Option C, morning. Option D, midnight.
Option C, morning.
Very good. The correct answer is option C, morning. So put a tick mark for option C, morning, and write the letter C inside the brackets. Now, those who have completed, please take page number 8. Page number 8.
Ma'am, Anna completed.
Please complete it fast.
Ma'am, this page?
Page number 8.
This page?
You look at the page number.
This page?
Ah,
Ma'am, Anna finish.
please take a page number 8. Page number 8. Anna, please unmute and read. Okay, it's already unmuted, so please start. Question number 7.
The time
The time
between 12 time between 12
midnight and
midnight and 12 noon is called
dash.
earlier
Wait. Question number 7 only. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called a dash. What is the answer, Anna? 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we will call which part of the day? Is it a morning or afternoon or evening or night? 12 midnight to 12 noon.
morning.
Morning. Okay, so write the spelling morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Prarthana, read the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8.
Earlier. A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier or dash R-W-O-R-D-S. Words U-S-E-D. Use for E-V-E-N-T-S.
Events.
Events. A-P-P-E-N-I-N-G.
Happening.
Happening at D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different time.
Okay. Earlier or dash are words used for events happening at different times. What is the answer, Prarthana? Earlier or? Which is another word? Earlier or?
Later.
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 What is the spelling?
L-A-T-E-R. Later.
Very good, very good. L-A-T-E-R, later. L-A-T-E-R, later. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times. Maithili, please unmute and look at the question number 9. Read the question.
The time to 12.
The time 12 o'clock.
The time the car at night is called dash.
Earlier or later.
The time 12 o'clock at night is called dash. What is the answer? The time 12 o'clock at night? Midnight. Okay. M-I-D-N-I-G-H-T. Midnight. Very good. So the time 12 o'clock at night is called midnight.
O'clock at night is called
Midnight.
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 Please mute your device.
M-I-D. M-I-D. Midday. Mid.
12 night in
So shall we move to next one? Question number 10. T-I-C-K. Tick. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S. Tick. Activities done earlier. E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Tick. Activities done earlier. Cross out. Activities done later. Tick. Activities done earlier. Cross out. Activities done later. Okay. And first one, 10. Question number 10. Climbing up the rope. You can see two pictures, no? Climbing up the rope. See, listen to ma'am carefully. In these two pictures, you can see the same person. Okay? Same person is climbing up the rope. Same person is climbing up the rope. First picture, you can see it is going to reach at the other end of the rope. Second picture, you can see it is started only. Okay, so which one is earlier and which one is later? Manav, please unmute and tell me which one is earlier and which one is later. Picture 1 and picture 2. Which one?
Earlier. First one is earlier. Earlier.
First one is earlier.
One is earlier.
Listen to ma'am. Manav, listen to ma'am. Okay.
Second one is earlier.
Listen to ma'am. Others, please be quiet. See, in both pictures, the same person. Okay, the same person is climbing the tree. Sorry, climbing the rope. And in the first picture, the person is reaching at the other end. Okay, and the second picture, it is started only some distance. So which one is later? Which one is earlier? Mana, which one is earlier? Is it first?
Second one.
Second one. Second one is earlier. It happened before. Okay. After some time only the second will happen. The first picture will happen. So that we can later. Okay. That will be later. So first one is later. Second picture is earlier. Dhruva, tell me the next one. 11. Finishing the race. The first picture you can see the car almost reached the point. Second picture there is space between the car.
Second one.
So which one is earlier?
Second one.
Second one is earlier. It happened before. Okay. And first one is
Later.
later. It will happen later only, after some time only. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, Krishna Priya.
okay, tell me Krishna Priya. Question number 12. Planting trees. First one is children are digging the ground. Second one already they plant the tree. Plant the plant. Okay, so which one is earlier and which one is later? Which one is earlier?
What?
First picture is, which picture is earlier? First one or second one?
Second one.
See, second one, they plant the tree. Okay. First one, they are started only. Digging the ground. So, which one is earlier? Which one is later? First picture is earlier or later? First picture is earlier. So, that we can put a tick mark. First picture is earlier. Second one is
Later.
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 Second one is later.
In the wall.
Those who have completed, please take next page. Those who have completed, please take next page, page number 9. Page number 9. Page number 9. Please be quiet. Okay. And we have short answer question, question number 13. T-I-C-K, tick, T-H-E, the, A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Tick the activity which comes earlier, means before. Tick the activity which comes earlier. Marin, Justin, please unmute. Okay. And look at the picture. A, painting the wall. They are painting the wall. Okay, Marin. Marin, listen to ma'am. Painting the wall. In the first picture, you can see almost they completed 3 layers. No, it's a rainbow, I think. So they almost completed that much. But in the second one, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Okay, fifth half also completed. So which one is earlier? First one or second one? Marin, which one is
First
earlier?
one.
First one. Very good. So please
one.
mark for first one. Okay, Marin, very good.
Sarah, can I read?
Okay, next
Thank you,
one.
ma'am.
Next one, Zara, please. B, filling water. So in the first picture, you can see the water. The bucket is fully completed. Okay, it's filled, full. Then second one, it is half only, no? So which one is earlier? First.
Second.
Second, very good. Second one is earlier. Second one is earlier. Okay. Now, question number 14. 1, 4, 14. ARRANGE, arrange. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following activities. Arrange the following activities. Begin from what do you do earlier. That means we have to write in the order, proper order. Now, which is the first one? WEARING, wearing. SHOES, wearing shoes. Next one, HAVING, having. LUNCH, lunch at school, having lunch at school. And the next one, WEARING, wearing. SOCKS, wearing socks. The next one, going to school. Megadarsh, please unmute and tell me the answer. Wearing shoes, having lunch at school, wearing socks, going to school. Which one is the first activity?
Shoes.
You will wear shoe before socks.
Makeup. Socks.
Socks, very good. So put number 1, wearing socks. Okay, so that we can write here. WEARING, wearing. SOCKS. Okay, then next one,
Shoes.
shoes, wearing shoes. Okay, very good. WEARING, wearing. SHOES, shoes. Third one, Megadarsh. Going to school. GOING, going. TO, SCHOOL, going to school. The last one,
Last one. In the break.
having lunch at school. Okay, very good. Having lunch at school. Okay, Megadesh, very good. Wearing socks, wearing shoes, going to school, having lunch at school. Wearing socks, wearing shoes, going to school, having lunch at school. First activity is wearing socks. Second one wearing shoes. Then going to school. Then having lunch at school.
And page number what?
Page number 9.
Page 9.
Page number 9. Workbook page number 9. So wearing socks, wearing shoes, going to school, having lunch at school. Those who join late, it's okay, no problem. I will put in the group so you can copy from there, okay?
Ma'am, question Priya completed.
Okay, please be quiet, very good. Wearing socks, wearing shoes, going to school, having lunch at school.
Page number 9. Unmute.
So question number 15, shall we move? Question number 15.
Oh, yeah, yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, completed.
Okay, now question number 1, 5, 15. Which part of the day do the pictures show? You can see 3 pictures, okay? And first one is,
Ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Wake up. Wait, what book?
Workbook. Which
Work.
part of the day do the pictures show? See, first picture is planting, watering the plants. Second one, waking up. And third one, what's the third picture?
Exercise.
Ah,
Exercise.
okay.
Doing.
Okay.
Jogging.
Okay. So which part of the day is it, morning or evening or afternoon or night? Austin Antonis, please tell me which part of the day these pictures shows. Which part of the day? Waking up, exercise, then watering the plants. These all things we will do in which part of the day?
Morning.
Morning. Very good. Very good. So this question's answer you can write in the next page. Okay. Take page number 10. So there you have space. MORNING, morning. So that pictures are showing which part of the day? Morning. Okay, Austin, very good. Morning. MORNING, morning.
Ma'am, next page Pratna have space.
Now question number 16, 1, 6. Okay. And John Judy, please unmute and listen to me. WRIT, write 2 activities you do in the morning. So any 2 activity you have to say which we will do in the morning. Any 2 activities, please tell me, Johan.
Waking up, brushing with the teeth.
Very good, very good. Or you can write having breakfast, covering, or going to school.
See the board.
You can write any of the 2. Okay, you can write any of the 2. So WAKING, waking up, comma, then going to school or having breakfast, or brushing the teeth? Waking up, going to school. Ivania, please tell me two activities which we will do in the evening time. Evening time.
Playing and doing homework.
Very good. Playing and doing homework. Or you can say studying, playing, studying, doing homework. Playing, playing, doing homework. Playing, doing homework. Playing, playing. Doing, doing. Home, home, work, homework. Playing, doing homework. Playing or doing homework.
Ma'am, Anna complete.
Sandria completed. Please unmute. Tell me when do you go to school? Sandria, when do you go to school?
Morning.
Very good. What about when do you return from school? Return.
Evening.
Is it in the evening? See, after 5 o'clock only you return, or before 5 o'clock? It is before 5 o'clock, no? So what will come? Is it afternoon or evening?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Very good. So question number 17. When do you go to school? So when do you go to school? We go to school in the morning. Then when do you return from school? We return in the afternoon. Okay, Sandria. Good. WEVGO, go, TO, to, SCHOOL. We go to school in the morning. INTHE, MORNING. Then when do you return from school? We return in the afternoon. We go to school in the morning. We return in the afternoon.
Morning. MO.
We go to school in the morning. We return in the afternoon.
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
It's okay. We go to school in the morning. We return in the afternoon. AFTERNOON. Afternoon.
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, okay. We go to school in the morning, we return in the afternoon. So shall we move to question number 18? All of you have completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please write. Question number 18, A. Question number 18, A. S-A-M, Sam. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-D, Sam completed H-I-S, his, H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K, homework. A-F-T-E-R, after. H-I-S, his, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Sam completed his homework after his dinner. W-H-E-N, when, D-I-D, did he do his homework? So after his dinner only he completed his homework. So when did he do his homework? Adel Maria, please tell me answer. Adel Maria, tell me answer. Sam completed his homework after his dinner.
Night.
Ah, very good. When did he do his homework? Night.
Night.
Okay. So let us write answer A, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Now question number B. After school, Raju went to a party. So after coming back from the school, Raju went to a party. When did he go to the party? Little Maria, when did he go to the party? After school, Raju went to a party. When did he?
Evening.
Evening. Very good. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. So after school, Raju went to a party. When did he go to the party? Answer is evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening.
Ma'am, Anna completed. Ma'am, Siddharth completed.
Now, next one again, multiple choice question, question number 1. Question number 1. Which of these activities is done earlier? 4 activities are given. We have to find out which one is earlier. And we have A, S-H-O-W-E-R-I-N-G, showering. B, W-A-K-I-N-G, waking, U-P, up in the morning, waking up in the morning. C, H-A-V-I-N-G, having, D-I-N-N-E-R, having dinner. D, H-A-V-I-G, having, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. So showering, waking up in the morning, having dinner, having lunch. Which one is earlier? Juneta Joshi, which one is earlier? Showering, waking up in the morning, having dinner, having lunch. Which one is earlier?
Waking up the morning.
Waking up in the morning. Please put a tick mark for option B, waking up in the morning, and write the letter B inside the brackets. The answer is option B, waking up in the morning, and write the letter B inside the brackets. And the remaining questions we will do it in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am, not completed.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, not completed.
Good. So the next page onwards, we will do it in the next class.
Ma'am, Henry completed. Ma'am, And Sarah's completed. And not completed.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, Anaya complete full finish.
Okay, Sarah, very good. So let me stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will do it in the next class.
Aisha finished.
Morning. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. See you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.